Imagine boarding a bus where the walls are giant, transparent LCD panels, allowing you to see the cityscape as you travel while also displaying dynamic content like advertisements, bus information, and live TV coverage. This is the Willie Transparent LCD Bus, a cutting-edge concept vehicle designed by Tad Orlowski. Built on an organic skeletal frame, this bus is a revolutionary departure from traditional designs, enhancing the commuter experience in metropolitan areas. Although still a concept without a set market price, the Willie Transparent LCD Bus showcases the future of urban transportation, where technology and innovation merge to transform everyday commutes into visually engaging journeys. Hyundai HDZ Neptune, an innovative hydrogen-powered fuel cell electric truck. Hyundai Motor Company is pushing the envelope of zero-carbon emission technology for commercial vehicles with this cutting-edge concept. Though not yet available for sale, the HDZ Neptune highlights Hyundai's commitment to leading the market in environmentally friendly commercial vehicles. As a prototype, its price remains unannounced, but this concept truck provides a glimpse into Hyundai's ambitious plans to prioritize commercial vehicles over passenger cars in their pursuit of technical leadership and sustainable innovation. Ford F-Vision electric truck concept. With its sleek, aerodynamic design featuring an advanced interactive front grille and adaptive lighting systems, the F-Vision symbolizes Ford's ambitious plans for a fully electric future. Though still a concept and not yet available for purchase, Ford has already made significant strides with the release of the F-150 Lightning. Priced at a reasonable $39,995, the base model boasts impressive features such as 2 electric motors, a 300-mile driving range, and the ability to power a house and tools using its batteries. The F-150 Lightning is a critical step towards realizing the vision of fully electric, autonomous trucks, showcasing Ford's commitment to innovation and sustainability in the commercial vehicle sector. Transit Elevated Bus, a forward-thinking public transportation concept. Raised on sturdy stilts and moving on fixed rails, the TEB allows cars to pass underneath, giving it the appearance of a moving tunnel. With the ability to transport up to 1,200 passengers, this electric-powered bus significantly reduces the number of vehicles on the road, thereby alleviating traffic congestion. The TEB utilizes existing roadways without needing substantial infrastructure upgrades, traveling smoothly at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. As an environmentally friendly alternative, it offers a fast and efficient solution to the challenges of urban transportation, showcasing a visionary approach to public transit. Tesla Semi is an electric vehicle poised to revolutionize the trucking industry. With 3 powerful motors on the rear axle and a centrally positioned driver's seat for enhanced visibility, the Semi delivers robust performance and safety. Even when fully loaded, it can accelerate to 60 miles per hour in under 20 seconds. Advanced safety features and a crash-resistant design minimize the risk of rollovers and cabin damage. The Semi is also highly efficient, consuming less than 2 kWh per mile and offering up to 500 miles on a single charge. Available in 2 versions, a 300-mile range model priced at $150,000 and a 500-mile range model at $180,000, the Tesla Semi promises potential fuel savings of over $200,000 within 3 years, making it a competitive and eco-friendly option in the commercial trucking sector. Scania NXT, a cutting-edge concept vehicle designed for the future of urban mobility. This autonomous, all-electric marvel can seamlessly adapt to the ever-changing patterns of city life. During rush hour, it functions as a commuter bus, while during the day, it transforms into a delivery vehicle, and at night, it serves as a garbage collector. Built on Scania's modular architecture, the NXT is more than just a vehicle. It's a versatile platform designed for 2030 and beyond. With detachable functional modules, each equipped with their own battery units, the NXT can easily switch between its various roles. Its 8-meter-long bus module can carry up to 55 passengers, 20 of whom can sit. Powered by a 162 kilowatt-hour battery pack cleverly concealed under the floor, the NXT boasts an impressive range of over 245 kilometers on a single charge, despite weighing less than 8 tons. The Scania NXT represents a visionary approach to urban transportation, promising a flexible and sustainable future. Imagine a new era of urban transportation with Next Future Transportation's innovative system. This scalable, adaptable, and modular concept features self-driving electric pods designed to navigate regular roadways independently and link up with other pods when needed. This bus-like structure allows riders to transfer between pods seamlessly without stepping outside. The system aims to enhance environmental sustainability, reduce traffic, and provide a more comfortable travel experience. Its modular design allows Next to adapt to the unique needs of various cities, potentially revolutionizing public transportation. While specific pricing information is not yet available, the company's success in securing $2.6 million in financing highlights the strong interest and enthusiasm for bringing this ambitious vision to life. The Next Future Transportation System promises to redefine urban mobility with its forward-thinking approach. Iveco Z Truck, a zero-impact vehicle designed for a future of renewable energy and driverless technology. This cutting-edge truck combines advanced aerodynamics, waste heat recovery, and optimized liquefied natural gas technology using biomethane to achieve zero emissions from well to wheel. Equipped with state-of-the-art autonomous driving technology, the Z Truck also aims for zero accidents. Its innovative cab reimagines driver comfort and efficiency, offering versatile spaces for manual driving, autonomous driving, office work, or even sleeping. Although still in its conceptual stage and without established pricing, the Iveco Z Truck represents a bold vision for sustainable and efficient long-haul transportation. As a prototype, it showcases the potential of new technologies and designs, paving the way for a cleaner and safer future on the roads. Freightliner EM2, an innovative electric truck designed for environmentally responsible transportation. This versatile vehicle meets the needs of various businesses, whether for on-highway or vocational use. Building on the success of the popular M2 medium-duty truck, the EM2 features an all-electric Detroit e-powertrain that delivers zero emissions, quiet operation, high torque for quick acceleration, and efficient energy use. Its sweep-back bumper and 55-degree wheel cut ensure easy maneuverability in crowded city streets. Priced from around $139,000 for the base model to $400,000 for the medium-duty variant, the EM2 reflects the technological sophistication and value of its performance and ecological benefits. The Freightliner EM2 represents a significant step forward in sustainable transportation, offering businesses a powerful and eco-friendly solution for their trucking needs. Walmart Advanced Truck, showcased at the Walmart Advanced Vehicle Experience, a pioneering hybrid tractor-trailer from the Range Extended series. This state-of-the-art vehicle offers a glimpse into the future of transportation with its innovative features. By reducing aerodynamic drag by 20%, it achieves up to 10% improved fuel efficiency. The truck incorporates a capstone turbine capable of running on various fuels like diesel, biofuels, and liquefied natural gas, enhancing its versatility and sustainability. Constructed with carbon fiber, it sheds approximately 4,000 pounds, contributing to its efficiency and performance. Equipped with a 45.5 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack, it operates in multiple modes, including an all-electric mode ideal for urban driving. While the Wave is currently a test model without official pricing, it underscores Walmart's commitment to eco-friendly fleet management and sets a precedent for future innovations in sustainable transportation. Volvo 7900 electric bus, a game-changer in urban transportation designed to enhance city busing with its stress-free environment for drivers and peaceful, emission-free rides for passengers. Manufactured by Volvo, this electric bus reflects a commitment to sustainable city planning and reducing urban pollution. Priced starting around $97,300, the Volvo 7900 Electric incorporates high-tech engineering tailored for efficient and eco-friendly public transportation. It's equipped with amenities to meet the demands of modern urban areas and is adaptable to various metropolitan environments with its variable lengths and flexible designs. The Volvo 7900 electric bus exemplifies Volvo's dedication to advancing sustainable mobility solutions and improving the quality of urban life through innovative transportation technology.